Hi everyone, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to make baked cod in a lemon butter. This is a really simple and easy recipe and it's perfect for a quick and tasty dinner. So first I take a handful of parsley and I chop it finely. Then we take the chopped parsley and we add it to 50 grams of softened butter. Then I take 1 clove of garlic, crush it and add it to the butter as well. Finally, add the grated zest of half a lemon and stir well to combine. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications and watch to the end for further videos. Now on a baking tray I'm going to place 2 pieces of greaseproof paper and I'm going to add 2 pieces of cod weighing about 150 grams each. Now we'll top the cod with the lemon butter mix and we'll season liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now take the greaseproof paper and we'll just fold it in the sides, making like a little parcel. Now over to a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade. I'm going to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes until the fish is white and flaky. Now I've just served mine with some leek and potato mash and some steamed cabbage. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for baked cod and lemon butter. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.